In this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 tractor attachments you can purchase that might just make your life a whole lot easier. If you are sick and tired of kicking metal and throwing out your back every time you have to change attachments on the back of your tractor, well, the 3-point quick hitch will solve all of your problems. It will allow you to easily attach and detach most 3-point implements like rotary cutters, box blades, road graders, tillers, and more. All you have to do is back up to whatever attachment you want to hook up to, get aligned with it, and raise your 3-point. The quick hitch will do the rest. When you want to release the attachment, simply open the levers and lower the 3-point. First, warning here, not all attachments are quick hitch compatible, especially ones with older attachments, meaning you will have to trade them in for quick hitch compatible implements if you want to be able to use the quick hitch. Warning number 2 here, some quick hitches work better than others. For example, the ones at some of your big box stores don't actually fit attachments that claim to be quick hitch compatible. So I recommend you talk to your local dealer. Also take some measurements that'll allow you to double check and make sure that the quick hitch will actually work properly with your attachments. You can pick up a quick hitch for right around $400. The next attachment is more of an upgrade, which you can get on your tractor at any time, and will help those of you who are wanting to gain more diversity from the capabilities of your tractor, which is front or rear remotes for your tractor. All remotes do is give you extra hydraulic lines, which will allow you to operate attachments that have more complicated controls. For instance, you might want rear remotes so that you can operate a hydraulic stump grinder or even a log splitter on the back of your tractor. One thing to note is that typically small tractors under 40 horsepower don't come standard with front or rear remotes. However, larger tractors that are around 60 horsepower will often come standard with one set of rear remotes, which equates to 2 hydraulic lines. Remotes with install at Tractor Bob's start for $1,800 for either the front or the back. For number 3, we have Grapples. And Grapples are one of those front loader attachments that if you decide to purchase, you will also need to make sure and add front remotes to your tractor if it doesn't already have them. Now, Grapples come in many different options. You can get single cylinder or double cylinder Grapples. You can select from rock Grapples, brush Grapples, lumber Grapples, and fork Grapples. There are a ton of different grapple options. Now, if you want the most diverse grapple that can handle just about anything, the brush grapple will probably be the best option for you. Grapples are great because they allow you to grab onto things, making it possible to pick up and move stuff you otherwise wouldn't be able to. This is a very common attachment for people who are clearing land and have either a tractor or a skid steer. Grapples range in price. For example, on the more affordable end, you can get the 66-inch Tomahawk with a single cylinder for $21.95. Or on the higher end, you can get a 66-inch dual cylinder galvanized grapple from Modern Ag for $3,000. Now, if you plan on doing any gardening, having a tiller will allow you to use your tractor to do so. So, number 4 on our list is rotary tillers. Rotary tillers are powered by the tractor's PTO. Tillers allow you to break up soil, preparing the ground for planting trees or plants, and for preparing flower beds. It can also be used to help you break up dirt, making it easier to remove with a shovel when trenching or leveling land. Many of today's rotary tillers are quick hitch compatible, like this bad boy rotary tiller, which also has a slip clutch, bolt-on sleds, and a kickstand. A 4-foot bad boy tiller, like the one in this video, will cost you $1,950. If you don't really need to break up dirt, but instead are looking for a great way to clear small limbs, saplings, super tall grass, or brush, a path slayer will allow you to do all of that. The path slayer runs off hydraulics, connects to the front of your tractor or skid steer. It's essentially a rotary cutter for the front of your tractor so that you can reach things that are taller. The path slayer also tilts, so you can do things like clear tree branches along a driveway. For $5,100, the path slayer isn't cheap, but it's extremely effective. And that, with a grapple, will really do the trick on clearing out some of those harsh brush areas on your property. Bonus attachment number 6 is the Stump Bucket, which is going to be the most cost-effective attachment you can get that will allow you to remove stumps from the ground more easily. It attaches to your tractor or skid steer. It is shaped shaped like a triangle with teeth on one end so that you can wedge it under stumps and pull them right out. This is going to be a great solution for many people that don't want to break the bank on something that needs extra hydraulics, but still want to be able to dig into the ground a little bit and pull out a rock or a stump. The price of this Tomahawk Stump Bucket is $799 at Tractor Bob's. Thank you for watching this video on the 5 tractor attachments you should get. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. That really helps us out a lot. Hit that subscribe button to receive more videos like this one. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much, and consider hitting that bell icon to be notified on when we come out with new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless.